it is one of the tongue letters. Al-lisan is the makhraj for it, articulation point, and it is similar to its articulation point is similar to that of za, but the sifat is different, so that will make a different sound. Okay, I'll just read that through and then explain it practically. The tip of the tongue near the inner plates of the top two incisors. So the tip of the tongue is used, okay, the tip of the tongue, and near the inner plates of the top incisors. That's near the inner plates of top incisors. Okay, and slightly above the lower incisors. That's slightly above the lower incisors. Okay. So a small space is left when we pronouncing seen, okay, between the tongue and the incisors. And we're going back to the 3D model, so that will explain in great detail. Okay. So the tip of the tongue, let's try. Okay, so the tip of the tongue, that's one place, and it is near the inner plates of the top two incisors, and slightly above the lower incisors. Okay, that's the 3 articulation point. Okay. And when we're pronouncing it, as we explained, that there will be a small space left between the tongue and the incisors.